Growth, cost, and service pressures are no stranger to supply chain leaders, but these challenges are just the beginning. Volatile macroeconomic conditions and unprecedented disruptions, combined with strong headwinds of supply chain chaos and complexity, have unleashed a service experience storm for you and your customers. Ensuring your service supply chain operation runs predictably and efficiently isn't just a necessity, it's a competitive advantage. For more than 30 years, Baxter Planning has transformed service supply chains for the world's most innovative enterprises, evolving service from a cost center to a strategic financial driver. With our end-to-end AI predictive platform, purpose-built technology, and deep domain expertise, we bring clarity to the complexity, visibility to the unseen, and a calm to the storm. With our planning, execution, and resolution products, you'll unlock a service experience advantage, removing the guesswork and making way for increased profits, growth, and customer loyalty. We equip our partners to anticipate, adapt, and ascend, even in the face of chaos. See ahead, stay ahead. Baxter Planning, your service supply chain experts.